Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 110. And if we start with this box, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, so 3, 5, and no help here, 3, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 1, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 2 here, so 3, 5. That means that our 2 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 8. No help here, 3, 5, 8. And no help here, 3, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 8. 3 here, so 8, 9. And 9 here, so 3, 8. So that means that our 9 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're just missing a 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, 8, and 9. But the 3 and 8 have to be here and here, so we're just looking for 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. No help here. 1, 3, 5, 8. 3 here, so 1, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 5 here, so 3, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 6, 8. 3 here, so 1, 6, 8. If we look at this box now, the only place the 1 can be is here. And in this column, the only place the 6 can be is here. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. In this box now, the only place the 4 can be is here. And for this top row now, that 8 makes this our 3, 5, 8. That 3 and 8 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. This 5 makes this our 3. Can get rid of this 3. For this top row now, we're just missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. We can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 5 makes this our 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 8, 3, 8, 3. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 1, 8, 1, 5. And there we have it. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.